Welcome to Sugosha Defence News. The highlights. Indian Army sets up one of world's highest tank repair facilities near China border. New Space Research and Technologies has achieved significant milestone, a new national endurance record for an unmanned aerial vehicle with its solar-powered high-altitude pseudo-satellite platform. Indian Army boosts soldier mobility with 300 TVS Sundaram hybrid all-terrain tactical haulers. Indian Army's GOC Vajra Corps displays cutting-edge integrated small arms firing with Hexa copter in India. The global headlines: BAE Systems secures contract to develop cutting-edge dual-band Decoy for US Navy. US Army tests long-endurance spy drones and balloons from Philippines to fly over South China Sea. US and Japan sign agreement to co-develop hypersonic interceptor. Airbus develops Star unmanned manned-unmanned teaming program for Eurofighter. And Romania receives US approval for AIM-9X Sidewinder sale. With over 500 of its tanks and infantry combat vehicles deployed in the eastern Ladakh, Indian Army has created a record of sorts by setting up two of world's highest tank repair facilities in near the China border in Neoma and the DBO sector in that region at altitudes of over 14,500 feet in the area, which is the world's highest battlefield for tanks and infantry combat vehicles along the LAC. A large number of tanks and BMP combat vehicles, along with Indian made armored vehicles like the quick reaction fighting vehicles, have been deployed in eastern Ladakh after the standoff between India and China started in April May 2020, post Chinese aggression there. The tanks and infantry combat vehicles have been deployed in these super high altitude areas where it is very difficult even to get them back for maintenance and repair. To help sustain the armored vehicle operations in the region, the medium maintenance reset facilities at Neoma and near KM 148 on the DBO road in the DBO sector have been set up. These are the two main areas where tank and ICV operations are focused in the eastern Ladakh region. The Indian Army has been creating infrastructure in a big way for housing its tanks, including the T-90 and T-72, the BMPs and the K-9 Vajra in the high altitude areas where temperatures are extremely low in winter. NewSpaceResearch and Technologies set a new national endurance record for an unmanned aerial vehicle with its solar-powered high-altitude pseudo-satellite platform. The HAPS sustained a flight for 27 hours and reached an altitude of 26,000 feet. The government's IDEX initiative backed the development of the HAPS platform. The HAPS technology has potential uses in surveillance, communication, and environmental monitoring. Indian Army has received a massive boost in soldier mobility with the procurement of 300 TVS Sundaram all-terrain tactical haulers, the ATT haulers. This initiative made in India load carrier is designed to lighten the load for soldiers and enhance their agility on the battlefield. The ATT hauler can carry up to 120 kilograms of gear, supplies, and ammunition, freeing up soldiers to focus on their primary combat duties. This increased mobility translates to quicker response times, improved maneuverability, and ultimately a greater chance of mission success. Indian Army's GOC Vajra Corps recently put on an impressive display showing off their skills with new weapons and a snazzy Hexa copter drone in India. Indian Army's Vajra Corps is leading in combat innovation, particularly in counter-terrorism operations in Kashmir. They have deployed an integrated weapons system that combines small arms firing with hexacopters. This system is a first for the Indian Army and allows for precise aerial targeting with the minimal collateral damage. Soldiers are equipped with hexacopters mounted with AK rifles, which can be swapped for a multi grenade launcher depending on the tactical situation. BAE Systems has been entrusted with a significant contract by the U.S. Navy. It is a state-of-the-art system meticulously designed to safeguard fighter jets from hostile attacks. This innovative system, an evolution of the combat-proven AN/ALE-55 fiber optic towed decoy, is set to revolutionize aircraft survivability in high-threat environments. Its advanced jamming technologies disrupt enemy radars and mislead incoming missiles, ensuring aircraft's safety and enhancing the nation's defense capabilities. The ANLE-55 is an advanced electronic warfare system developed by BAE Systems designed to enhance the survivability of military aircraft by providing robust radio frequency countermeasures. This fiber optic towed decoy system operates by emitting powerful jamming signals to confuse and divert incoming enemy radar guided missiles away from the aircraft. It is connected to the aircraft's onboard electronic warfare equipment through a fiber optic cable, allowing real-time communication and control. The ANLE-55 has been combat proven and is recognized for its effectiveness in high-threat environments, offering crucial protection and increasing the success rate of missions. During the Balikatan military exercise in the Philippines, the U.S. Army's first multi-domain task force utilized the Cross Hamdani Aerospace K-1000 drone in Basco. This platform was deployed to fly over the South China Sea to gather data for the Extended Range Sensing and Effects Company. The first MDTF used the exercise to evaluate its organization and identify the best assets to support joint and coalition forces in scenarios where regional success may be contested. The bilateral exercise with the Philippines Armed Forces took place from April 11th to April 9th. The United States and Japan signed a cooperative agreement to co-develop a hypersonic missile defense capability designed to neutralize hypersonic threats in the glide phase of flight. The two countries have been in talks regarding the possibility for over a year. The MDA is still early in the development process for the glide phase interceptor, and the agency's budget plan envisions a first fielding in the mid to 2030s. Two companies are competing to design GPI, Raytheon Technologies, and Northrop Grumman. The interceptors will be designed to fit into the U.S. Navy's Aegis ballistic missile defense equipped destroyers. The weapons will fire from the standard vertical launching system and be integrated with a modified baseline. Aegis weapon system that detects, tracks, controls, and engages supersonic threats. Airbus is set to develop a manned-unmanned teaming MUMT capability to enable the Eurofighter Typhoon combat aircraft to remotely control loyal wingmen under the System and Teaming Advanced Research Program. The project will be conducted at Air Defense's facilities in Manching, South Germany, as part of the X-Platform Capability Study. The initiative aimed to demonstrate MUMT capabilities on the Eurofighter with a long-term goal of integrating command and control functionalities to prepare for Future Combat Air System, the FCAS. The project will focus on developing the Star Demonstrator, a twin-seat Eurofighter equipped with advanced cockpit and connectivity features. Manned-unmanned teaming involves operating manned and unmanned systems in a coordinated manner to achieve a common mission objective. As one of the innovations that will define future air power, MUMT relies on intelligent, connected, and modular unmanned systems interconnected by a distributed intelligence network. These systems will act as force multipliers for crewed aircraft, enhancing the team's capabilities while keeping the pilot out of harm's way, but still in control. MUMT is crucial for the creation of remote carriers, one of the pillars of the future combat air system. To modernize its air-to-air infrastructure, Romania has received approval from the United States for the acquisition of AIM-9X Sidewinder Block II missiles. A $70 million contract between Romania and Raytheon has been signed. The decision to equip the Romanian Air Force's F-16 fleet with these air-to-air missiles comes in the context of growing concerns about security threats in the region. With Block 2 technology at its disposal, Romania is ready to enhance its operational readiness and deter potential aggressors. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and please do give us your feedback. Thank you.